Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot sauce with green peppers. To begin, you will need about 1 pound of fresh green peppers, like jalapenos or serranos, for that vibrant flavor. Also, prepare 1 tablespoon of sea salt and 2 cups of filtered water to create your brine. Don't forget a clean 1-quart glass jar and an airlock for the fermentation process. You might also want a few garlic cloves or a small onion for extra depth. Now, let's get those peppers ready for their flavor transformation. First, wash and roughly chop your green peppers, removing only the stems. You can leave the seeds in for extra heat. Next, dissolve 1 tablespoon of sea salt into 2 cups of filtered water to make your brine. Pack the chopped peppers and any optional aromatics into your clean 1-quart jar, then pour the brine over them, making sure everything is completely submerged. After about 5 to 7 days of fermentation at room temperature, you'll notice some bubbling, indicating it's ready. Carefully drain the brine from your peppers, but be sure to reserve about 1/2 cup for later. Now, transfer all the fermented peppers and any aromatics into a high-speed blender. Add that reserved brine back in, along with 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, which helps with preservation and adds a tangy kick. Now for the final steps to create your delicious hot sauce. Blend the mixture until it reaches your preferred consistency, whether you like it super smooth or with a little texture. If you prefer a very smooth sauce, you can strain it through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth. Taste and adjust the seasoning with a bit more salt or vinegar if desired. Finally, pour your homemade green pepper hot sauce into clean bottles and store it in the refrigerator for several months of enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.